Hello and welcome to today's open home. We're starting this a little bit differently today, but I really want to sort of make a point of how central this apartment is here. So we're standing in Swan Lane, which runs between Cuba Street and Marion Street. This is a lovely little lane here. You've got a couple of predominant eateries here, Noble Rot Wine Bar and Best Ugly Bagels. But just beyond here we've got the liftway to the Marion Square apartment, so we'll take you through here and just give you an idea of how close we are to everything. Good security though. Up we go. So quick, short, little lift ride. And then out we go. We're in the apartment complex now on level 3 at 26 Marion Street. Around the corner, and here's this delightful apartment that I have been talking about. And one of the things that we'll point out straight away is this apartment has this wonderful, delightful courtyard at the front. So the sun's right up in the sky here at the moment and pouring into the courtyard, and it's nice and private. And as you can see also, it's over 2 levels. So a lovely high stud as well. So it works really well and is very inviting. So we'll go to the apartment now and have a look for ourselves. Here we are, number 24. And in we go. Got this delightful balcony, courtyard I should say, area, and that runs into this very nice open plan living, dining, kitchen area, which is particularly well set up. We've got a very good kitchen set up here, and we've got a lovely high stud. So you can see, if you're looking up here, you can see we've got the windows space for the main bedroom. And the kitchen, very well appointed. A nice U-shaped kitchen, so lots of workspace. Nice clean appliances and very functional, very neat and tidy. One thing too which is really makes this floor plan work so well, if they made space for a toilet downstairs, toilet and head basin. We've got a door through that area, and we've also got the laundry right next door, so that's very smart use of plumbing. On the other side of the wall, we've got a linen cupboard with a hot water cylinder, so that's all nice and together. And in this particular case it's smart because it's under the stairwell. So let's go and have a look upstairs. So we're heading up to the bedroom now, and I'm sure you will be impressed with the delightful bedroom. First thing you'll notice is how big it is. Plenty of room here. Nice big double wardrobes, plenty of space, and the window cavity through to the living area. Now, what's also clever here is that these sliding doors through here block the light off. So even though it's a nice sunny day, it keeps the light out. And they're a nice colour. Love that view. Just makes the place look so much special. It's just not a box. It's great. And we've got the bathroom here, which essentially is an ensuite, but got everything you need, and it's all very smart. Okay, we'll head downstairs now, and we'll talk to you about how you can buy this delightful 1-bedroom apartment. But the first thing I need to explain to you is it's on the market at buyer inquiry over $445,000. And what you're getting for that money is 66 square metres, 1-bedroom apartment in the middle of Wellington City. It also comes with a car park, a secure covered car park and a storage locker. So, and it's on the market, it's tender if not sold prior. The tender close date is set for December the 5th at 3 o'clock, but I'm expecting it to sell before that, and just to reinforce the fact that it is tender if not sold prior. Now, I've got lots of information on this apartment that I've got on a Dropbox link that I can email you. So it's just as quick as dropping me an email and I can get that information to you very, very quickly. And a couple of other things that you need to know is that we're running an open home the 15th of November at 5:30, so a twilight open home. So you can pop in here after work, maybe duck away from work a few minutes earlier than normal and get on down to Marion Street, and you can come and have a look at the apartments. So I've got an open home from 5:30 to 6. We've also got another open home on Sunday at a more traditional open home, Sunday at 12 to 12:30, and would be delighted to see you there as well. Thank you. So I think that's all I need to cover off, apart from the fact that where it is, we started off downstairs in Swan Lane. This apartment is super central. You can get to anything from here very easily. That's important to know about in Wellington. It's a very, very central spot. Close to buses as well, and there's no problem getting down to the railway station if you needed that too. Thank you very much for tuning in today. This is John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, the apartment specialist, making open homes easy for busy people. Thank you very much, and goodbye for now. I look forward to talking to you again and bringing you another broadcast very shortly. Bye-bye.